Let's make turon! Turon is a popular Filipino dessert that's made with banana or plantain, sometimes jackfruit. It's wrapped in a spring roll wrapper and fried until it's golden brown. Here are the ingredients we'll need. Let's start by cutting up some plantains. The riper, the better. Wrapping turon is very easy. Just take your spring roll wrapper, make it into a diamond, then put a piece of the plantain, then fold up one corner, fold the other corners in, and then roll it up. Then use some water to seal off the end. And there you go. Let me show you again. Get your wrapper, put a piece of plantain, fold up, fold the sides in, and then roll it, and then seal it with some water. Very easy. It's almost like rolling lumpia, which, by the way, if you haven't seen the video on how to make lumpia, you can watch it right here. To make the turon extra special, you can even add some jackfruit. This is just another type of fruit. It's very sweet. I usually get the canned jackfruit from my Asian grocery store. And then you just roll it with the plantain. Sometimes if my plantain aren't ripe enough, I will dip the plantain in some sugar before putting it in the spring roll wrapper. That will help make it sweeter. Here are some fun facts about turon. Turon was historically created from a surplus of crops at banana farms. And it's a popular street food in the Philippines because it's easy to eat while you're on the go. People usually eat it as a merienda or snack during the day, or as a dessert after a meal. Lastly, turon is also known as lumpiang saging, or a banana lumpia. And there we go, now we can fry them. Now let's fry them in a pot of oil at 350 degrees. After they've been frying for about 7 minutes, they will turn golden brown like this and they will be ready to come out. Let's try our turon. The plantain inside gets so soft and sweet. And it pairs so nicely with the fried spring roll wrapper. Here's some of my favorite ways to eat turon. I like eating it plain when it's freshly made. Or I like eating it covered in caramel sauce. The caramel really adds a nice sweetness that pairs well with the plantain, and it's not too sweet. Or I like drizzling some Nutella on top. Or I like eating it with a bowl of ice cream. The creamy ice cream goes so well with the cooked plantain. So what's your favorite way to eat turon? Tell me in the comments. Paalam!